Welcome to this episode of Plastic Jeopardy, where we will test knowledge of plastic in vehicles. Meet our one and only contestant, Chemical Kim. Thank you. When I'm not working in the chemistry lab, I'm often found working on vehicles, as I do consider myself to be a bit of a hobby mechanic. Excellent. Well, let's get started. Okay, plastics for 100. Today's cars are, on average, made up of this percent of plastic by volume. What is 50%? Correct! Plastic for 200. This is the primary benefit of using plastic materials in car manufacturing. What is to improve fuel efficiency? Correct! Plastic for 300. This plastic is used in airbag fabrics for its high melting point and strength. What is polyamide? Correct! Plastic for 400. This type of plastic is commonly used for car bumpers and headlight lenses due to its strength and weather resistance. What is polycarbonate? Correct! Plastic for 500. This is the main reason for using lightweight plastic in electric vehicles. What is to improve energy consumption and increase range? Correct! Plastic for 600. This is the major environmental benefit of using recyclable plastic in car manufacturing. What is to reduce landfill waste? Correct! Plastic for 700. This is the primary way plastic companies help automakers reduce vehicle environmental impacts. What is designing parts to be recyclable at the end of the vehicle's life? Correct! Congratulations, Chemical Kim. You have just set a one-day record of 2,800 monomers, all for knowing about the uses and benefits of plastics in vehicles.